Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some unexpected everyday habits that can save you hundreds of dollars a year. You won't believe how simple some of these are. We're talking about those small, often overlooked things you can do in your daily routine to keep more cash in your pocket. Let's be real, who couldn't use an extra couple $100? Stick around, and you might be surprised how easy it is to make that happen. Let's be honest, that daily latte habit can really put a dent in your budget. Every morning you find yourself drawn to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the allure of the perfectly crafted latte, and the convenience of having someone else make it for you. But have you ever stopped to think about how much this habit is costing you in the long run? Think about it, $5 a day. That's like $150 a month. And if you multiply that by 12, you're looking at a whopping $1,800 a year. That's a significant amount of money that could be used for other things, like a vacation, savings, or even investing in a hobby. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up your caffeine fix entirely. Coffee is a beloved ritual for many. A moment of peace in a hectic day. A way to kickstart your morning, or a comforting break in the afternoon. The good news is, you don't have to sacrifice this little joy to save money. Instead of hitting up the coffee shop every morning, why not become your own barista? Imagine the satisfaction of crafting your own perfect cup of coffee, tailored exactly to your taste. You can experiment with different brewing methods, from a classic drip coffee maker to a sophisticated espresso machine, or even a French press for a richer, more robust flavor. Invest in a decent coffee maker, it'll pay for itself in no time. There are plenty of options out there to suit every budget and preference. Whether you prefer a simple pour-over setup or a high-tech espresso machine, the initial investment will quickly be offset by the money you save from not buying coffee out every day. You can even get fancy with it. Frothers, different roasts, the possibilities are endless. Explore the world of coffee beans, from light to dark roasts, single origin to blends. Try your hand at frothing milk to create your own lattes and cappuccinos. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what you truly enjoy. Plus, imagine the satisfaction of sipping your homemade brew, knowing you just saved yourself a few bucks. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be gaining a new skill and a deeper appreciation for the art of coffee making. So, ditch the cafe, brew at home, and start enjoying the benefits today. We've all been there. It's the end of a long day, you're tired, and suddenly takeout sounds incredibly appealing. The thought of cooking seems exhausting, and the convenience of takeout is hard to resist. But hold on, before you pull out your phone and order that pizza, let's talk meal prepping. Imagine having delicious, home-cooked meals ready to go, saving you time, money, and the guilt of unhealthy eating. Spending a few hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week can be a game changer. It might seem like a lot of work up front, but the benefits are immense. Think about it. No more daily cooking stress, no more wondering what's for dinner, and no more last-minute unhealthy choices. Not only will it save you money on those impulse takeout orders, but it's also a healthier option. When you meal prep, you have full control over what goes into your food. You can choose fresh, wholesome ingredients and avoid the hidden sugars, salts, and fats often found in takeout. You're in control of the ingredients, the portions, everything. This means you can tailor your meals to your dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a balanced diet, meal prepping allows you to plan accordingly. Plus, imagine the convenience of having your meals ready to go. No more scrambling for dinner at the last minute. After a long day, you can just grab a pre-prepared meal from the fridge, heat it up, and enjoy a nutritious dinner in minutes. The first step to successful meal prepping is planning. Start by making a grocery list of all the ingredients you'll need for the week. Focus on fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. Planning your meals in advance ensures you have everything you need and helps you avoid unnecessary trips to the store. Once you have your groceries, set aside a few hours to prep. This might include washing and chopping vegetables, cooking grains, and portioning out proteins. By doing this all at once, you save time during the week and make the cooking process much smoother. Consider cooking in batches. You can make large quantities of your favorite dishes and portion them out for the week. Slow cookers and instant pots are great tools for this, allowing you to cook meals with minimal effort. Labeling your meal prep containers can also be helpful. Write the date and contents on each container to keep track of what you have and ensure nothing goes to waste. An organized fridge makes it easy to see your options and grab what you need. Meal prepping isn't just for dinners. You can also prepare breakfasts, lunches, and snacks. Having healthy options ready to go throughout the day can help you stay on track with your nutrition goals and avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks. And don't forget, meal prepping can be a fun and rewarding activity. Involve your family or friends, try new recipes, and enjoy the process of creating delicious meals. The satisfaction of knowing you have nutritious food ready to go is well worth the effort. With meal prepping, you gain more than just healthy meals. You gain time. Time to relax, pursue hobbies, or spend with loved ones. The hours you save during the week can be used for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. So next time you're tempted by takeout, remember the benefits of meal prepping. It's your secret weapon against takeout temptation, offering convenience, health, and peace of mind. Give it a try and see how it transforms your week. Okay, I get it. Cars are convenient. They offer the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. You can listen to your favorite music, enjoy the comfort of your own space, and avoid the crowds. But let's be honest, driving in the city can be a hassle. The traffic, the constant stop and go, and the stress of finding parking can take a toll on anyone. But if you live in a city with decent public transportation, hear me out. Public transportation systems are designed to be efficient and convenient. Buses, trains, and subways can get you to your destination without the headache of navigating through traffic. Plus, many cities are continuously improving their public transit systems, making them more reliable and user-friendly. Ditching your car, even just a few times a week, can lead to some serious savings. Imagine not having to fill up your gas tank as often. Those savings can add up quickly. And it's not just about the money you'll save on gas. Think about the wear and tear on your vehicle. Fewer miles mean less frequent maintenance and a longer lifespan for your car. Think about it. Gas prices are no joke these days. They seem to be constantly rising, putting a strain on your wallet. Then there's insurance, which can be quite expensive, especially if you live in a densely populated area. Parking is another major expense. Whether you're paying for a spot in a garage or feeding a meter, those costs add up. And let's not forget about maintenance. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and unexpected repairs can be costly. The costs just keep adding up. It's like a never-ending cycle of expenses. But with public transportation, many of these costs can be significantly reduced or even eliminated. No more worrying about parking tickets or towing fees. No more surprise repair bills. It's a more predictable and manageable way to budget your transportation expenses. Public transportation, on the other hand, is a much more affordable option. Many cities offer monthly passes that provide unlimited rides for a fixed price. This can be a great way to save money, especially if you use public transit regularly. Plus, many employers offer transit benefits, allowing you to use pre-tax dollars to pay for your commute. Plus, you can use that commute time to catch up on emails, work on a project, or even learn something new. With the rise of mobile technology, it's easier than ever to stay productive while on the go. You can use your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to get things done, making your commute time more efficient. Read a book, or just relax. It's a win-win. Public transportation gives you the opportunity to unwind and take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. You can listen to music, meditate, or simply enjoy the scenery. It's a chance to slow down and recharge before you reach your destination. So next time you're stuck in traffic, consider giving public transportation a try. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it and how much you save. We live in a world of subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, monthly boxes, you name it. But when was the last time you actually took stock of all your subscriptions? Chances are, there are a few in there you've completely forgotten about. Those monthly fees, even if they seem small, can really add up over time. So take a few minutes, go through your bank statements, and cancel anything you're not using regularly. You might be surprised how much money you're wasting on subscriptions you don't even use. Now, I'm not suggesting you go full-on doomsday prepper here. but buying certain items in bulk can be a smart financial move. Think about the things you use regularly: toilet paper, laundry detergent, non-perishable food items. Buying these things in bulk might seem like a bigger upfront cost, but it often works out to be cheaper per unit in the long run. Plus, you'll save yourself those annoying last-minute trips to the store. Just make sure you have enough storage space. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your finances. It's all about being mindful of your spending habits and finding those little opportunities to save. See you next time.